Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the hardware. Make sure the router or modem is powered and the LAN port you plan to use is free. Once done, take a Cat5e or Cat6 cable and inspect the RJ45 clip so it locks reliably. This prevents intermittent drops. Next, route the cable to your PC, avoiding tight bends and tripping hazards. Now plug one end into the router's LAN port and the other firmly into the computer's Ethernet jack. You should hear or feel a click. Once the cable is clicked in, switch to Windows 11 and open Settings, then Network and Internet, and select Ethernet so you can verify the connection. Make sure Ethernet shows connected. If your network uses DHCP, confirm IP is assigned automatically or enter the static IP details provided by your administrator. Also check link speed and adapter status on the status page to ensure the interface negotiates correctly. If the adapter is disabled, enable it in Change Adapter Options. This restores communication. To finish, test connectivity by opening a browser or running ipconfig/all-in-Windows terminal to confirm IP, gateway, and DNS entries. If pages fail to load, update the network adapter driver via Device Manager because outdated drivers often block negotiation. Make sure to restart the router and your PC. Sometimes a simple reboot resolves DHCP or ARP conflicts. If problems continue, try a different Ethernet port or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.